Good morning, good morning, good morning, y'all. This is Domino here on Instagram Live, okay? Welcome to my Instagram Live video, okay? Again, it's foggy this morning. Yep, so that person driving carefully. Yep, so it's an early, uh, foggy morning, cloudy morning, I should say. I guess all this fog will clear up when the sun come up, you know. People don't like the fog, including me, you know. Sometimes fogs cause accidents, you know. I said it once and I'm gonna say it again. It's like the clouds came for a landing, you know. Yep, that's what it's all about, you know. Okay, all right. So ain't no time to do no hokey pokey or whatever, you know. All right, so anyway, y'all, I'm just out here doing my thing and stuff, vlogging in this kind of weather and stuff like that, you know. So so as I was saying, y'all, as I was saying, it's a foggy morning and stuff like that. Yep, it's like the clouds came in for a landing, you know. Said that before, I'll say it again, okay? All right, so thank y'all for watching. About to go inside and chill and probably do a gameplay, all right?